Thank you so much for having us. So, I'm Allen David.
I'm Marvic Nalus.
And I'm Vintan. Kaya nabuo yung Magnate na name kasi medyo ang tinatry natin i-establish dito sa cafe bar natin is medyo elegance. Elegance ang inaano natin. Tinatry natin i-establish. And at the same time, they can come to this place. Meron tayong main area dyan sa labas. And at the same time, meron tayong VIP rooms if they want talagang exclusivity. Dito sa The Magnate Cafe Bar, kaya siya tinawag na cafe bar kasi in the morning, we usually serve coffee, mga foods, ganon. By the time na gabi na, meron din tayong mga cocktails, wines, beer. Yun, for the alcohol drinkers. They can come here. We can serve the coffee lover and the beer drinkers, alcohol drinkers. Yes, yun yung concept natin.
Magnate also offer cigars. So what we have here is a local cigars as well as New World cigars. So as the word itself, they call it Magnate. So syempre a VIP also normally nagsisigar sila, doing business, doing some leisure. We cater some additional services that is not usual here in Pampanga. Yung mga gusto mag-try or yung mga nagsisigar na or yung mga foreigners na very interested to have a cigar, so Magnate offers those kind of products here. So we have from local cigars hanggang sa Cuban, Dominican Republic, and some New World cigars. So we have it here in Magnate. The lifestyle that we're trying to establish with Magnate is parang open to all siya. So from middle class to teenagers na gusto mag-enjoy, I think Magnate can offer it. From the name itself na cafe bar, we do have different kinds of beverages. Magnate is trying to offer the experience here to all ages that wants to have enjoy, wants to release their stress sa work. Yun yung I think that's the kind of lifestyle we're trying to establish. We're trying to define a new meaning ng bar dito sa Pampanga. And Magnate is yung food, since Pampanga is known for a culinary capital of the Philippines. So it's the sisig carbonara. So it's very unique. So it's a combination of a normal carbonara, the same time minitigate natin yung sisig na local food ng Pampanga. So, that's also na gusto kong ipatry sa mga mga viewers, supporters, followers.
Actually, tayo medyo lounge type where you can drink and relax and party. Pero hindi ganun ka-chaotic yung lugar. We would like to invite everyone to come to Magnate Cafe Bar to experience our cafe, liquors, and our great food. So I'm expecting to see you here.